Hello and welcome to GQUAT Traditions, Connecticut 6B. So we started this Odyssey April 5th, 2025, and we started indoors in hydroponics and in soil, everything from seed. We planted ashwagandha, oregano, sage, lavender, rosemary, dill, basil, thyme, parsley, cilantro, mullein, yarrow, peppermint, holy basil, lemon balm, Jamaican sorrel. Later, with my gardening buddy and I added yarrow and ginger, some other things. I don't know if I said borage, but yes, borage. And I went away for about a month. I was not in Connecticut, but my plants were placed outside, still in the containers. I am working on getting them in the ground as we speak, and I will be growing throughout the rest of the season. I hope you like what we're doing. I am a disabled senior who still grows a garden, and I hope that each of you will attempt to grow some of your own food, at least herbs. Herbs are so medicinal. So this is my garden so far. It's a community garden, and this is as far as I have gotten, as we have gotten. I can't do any digging or lifting anything heavy by myself, so I have to wait until I'm home, number one, and I have the help of others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.